Hi folks, welcome to the fifth session of the video series. Today I am going to explain you about finding the number of consonants in a given word. It is a simple Python program which helps us to count the number of vowels or the consonants in a given word or sentence. Suppose if I ask you to do the counting of vowels or the consonants in a given word, how much time will it take to count the number of vowels or the consonants? It will take maximum 1 minute. You will tell 1, 2, 3, whatever that words having the number of vowels or the consonants, you will tell. Suppose if I ask you about a sentence or a big single page which is having so many words, and how much time will it takes you to count the whole vowels or the consonants in that page? That's why the Python program makes easier to count the number of vowels or the consonants. First of all, I will assign the vowels in a list to the variable vowel is equal to A, E, I, O, O and U. Word is equal to you can take whichever you want to do the operation, or the whichever you desire to take the word. I will take programming AIKFI word. String should be between the inverted comma. Then I am going to define the count word to 0. I am going to declare for loop for loop for this program for character in word. For character in word, it goes through all the elements which is under the variable word, and then consider this whole elements as the characters. Then I'm going to explain the condition character not in vowel. Count plus is equal to 1. Then let me type print of count. Let me print the output. Here we got the number of consonants. Here, if the characters are not in the vowel list, it will adding the numbers. Count plus is equal to 1. This is the assigning. This can be written as, there are two ways to write this line. Let me print. Yeah, here we got the same output 10. Let me count the number of consonants. P, R, G, M, N, G, K, F. Yeah, yes. Here we have 10 elements in the string as the consonants. This condition makes that the element which are not in the vowel list, it will count the number of consonants.